morning, boys and girls. It is the last Monday of your last learning packet of second grade, which just seems really crazy that this is already the end of our school year. So we're going to go over what it is that you are going to be doing today. Monday, May 11. Today in math, you are going to be working on bar graphs. For your bar graphs, it is page 127 and 128. And the learning target is I will make a bar graph to show data. So last week you looked at picture graphs. Today and tomorrow you're going to be looking at bar graphs. A bar graph uses bars to show data. To make a bar graph, color one box for each vote. Bar graphs can look different. So you can have where the bars are going across and the bar graph is shown horizontally, or you can have it going vertically. If you pay attention, here's the food, toast, cereal, eggs, and then this time toast, cereal, and eggs are in the bottom going up. It still shows the same data. It shows the exact same amount for each. It's just in a different direction. So you're going to be doing 3 different ones of these today. Favorite breakfast food. You're going to use your tally charts to fill in your bar graph. Number 2, how are bar graphs different from picture graphs? So try to think about that. On the back, you're going to be using your tally graph for coloring of shirt. You're going to total it up and do your graph, your bar graph on the side. Left-handed or right-handed, you're going to tally it up, total it, and then fill in your bar graph. Don't forget to do the writing in math. Why might someone want to show data in a bar graph instead of a tally chart? So think about some different situations where that might occur. All right, after math, you are going to be doing science. So last week you were doing your lima bean experiment. It's time to be a creation enjoyer and earth keeper again. And today you're going to plant your lima bean. You are invited to plant your lima bean. So maybe that will be in a cup that you have at home. Maybe you'll plant it outside if you already have a garden going, or a planter. So try to talk with your parents and see once where you can plant that lima bean of yours. And then don't forget to take care of it. The same with your tomato or pepper plant. Think of all the different things that plants need in order to grow. Today for reading, you're going to read through the Treasures Book pages 408 through 411, complete worksheet pages 243 and 244. So 243 is talking about IRE, IER, and then URE. So talking about words like fire, dryer, and lure. Fill in the bubble next to the word that has the same vowel sound as the underlined word in each sentence. So make sure you try each one of those before you choose. For vocabulary words, you have the words goalie, figure, vendors, concern, collection, exclaimed. Fill in the words in the correct spots. And then number 7 and 8, it says write 2 sentences using as many words from the box as you can. Challenge. See if you can use all 6 words in your sentences today. Today for writing, you're going to be doing a pattern book called Someday. And I have a recording of the book Someday on our links for all of our videos. And then think about what you want to be or what you want to do someday. What do you want to achieve? What gifts has God given you that you can use? So in your purple journal on page 147, write about what you want to be or what you want to do someday. For grammar, you're going to be working on synonyms, words that mean the same meaning. So think of like big and gigantic, huge. Those are all synonyms. So you're going to take a look, choose the synonym from the box for each underlined word, write it on the line. And for Bible, practice your Bible memory verse. This is your last one, Philippians 4, verse 13. And then you're going to read through the story about heaven in your packet or on the computer. There's a link in your learning packet, and you're going to take some time to think about heaven. What is heaven like? When will Jesus come back? How can I get to heaven? What will we do in heaven? Now, we know what the Bible tells us. That's all we know. So we don't know exactly what heaven is going to be like. We don't know when Jesus will come back. God knows when. And it's going to be the perfect time whenever that is going to be. And we just wait expectantly. So enjoy your dreaming and your learning about heaven today in Bible.